Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to clean a mass airflow sensor. And we'll also be testing to see if after a week of driving it'll give you better gas mileage. And your mass airflow sensor is normally located right behind the airbox which houses your air filter. And this is the connector to the mass airflow sensor. And as you go further down, this intake tube leads to the throttle body, which on this particular model is hidden underneath the air intake resonator. But here on the Chevy Corvette we could get a better look. And this right here is the connector to the mass airflow sensor. And on this model we could follow it right to the throttle body. And this is our beginning gas mileage before we clean the mass airflow sensor. And now to get started, the first thing we want to do is remove the connector to the mass airflow sensor. The connector disconnects pretty easy. All you have to do is press down on the tab and pull out. And now to remove the airbox, all you have to do is press out on the two tabs. And we can now use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the clamp. And we can now slide the airbox out. And this is our mass airflow sensor. And this sensor works by using these hot wires to measure the amount of air passing through the sensor. So the more air that passes through these wires, the cooler that they will get, lowering the resistance value. And the vehicle's computer will use this information to adjust the amount of fuel being sprayed. So if these hot wires are dirty, they will not read the amount of airflow passing through properly. Symptoms of a dirty mass airflow sensor include hesitation, loss of power, rough idle, and poor fuel economy. And you do not want to use anything but mass airflow sensor cleaner on this sensor. And all you want to do is use the spray to clean off these hot wires. And you want to make sure that you do not touch these hot wires or clean them with anything but the spray. And after cleaning it, you want to make sure that it's completely dry before installing it. I'm not sure how well it shows up on camera, but you can see that the hot wire is a lot cleaner than it was. And after waiting 10 to 15 minutes for it to completely dry, we can now reinstall the airbox. We want to reinstall the connector and make sure that we tighten the clamp as well. And we want to make sure that we install the clips as well. And after driving it for a week, our fuel economy has jumped up to 29.1, giving us a fuel economy improvement by 0.7 miles per gallon.